What's good? What's good? Good, great morning to you. You can see on my computer here. It's a beautiful Friday, 9 a.m. This is Mr. X here signing in, and I wanted to share this value with you this morning about the overnight millionaire. So, I am the number one affiliate for the overnight millionaire, and I have been for the past 3 years. I've generated millions of dollars with the overnight millionaire program as an affiliate. I also do it for Wesley, and I wanted to show you just some numbers and some commissions and sales and profits that I'm generating every single day with the overnight millionaire, and potentially how you could do the same if you apply what you're going to see in this video. So it's Friday, 9 a.m. All right. Here's inside of one of my affiliate accounts that promotes Overnight Millionaire. I have many of these. And by the way, if you hear my little daughter in the background, she's chilling with me right now. We're just enjoying a beautiful Friday morning. So that's why you might hear some kids' music playing. Anyways, back to the money. Focus on the money, okay? So you can see this morning, 9 a.m., I've already made almost $700 this morning, okay? And I'm in my boxer shorts right now on my laptop, looking at my ocean view from my apartment here. And this just happens every single day. Okay. So, how much did I spend on ads to generate this $700 today, this morning? Let's check it out. So, I'm very heavy into Facebook ads and YouTube ads. Okay. So let me just go through some of my accounts. I will never show this on YouTube, but I'm only going to share this with you because I believe you really want this information here. So account number one has spent $95. Account number two, let's check this out. Account number two has spent 62. Account number three. Part of my strategy, by the way, is to have many ad accounts running at the same time. Also, I have many affiliate accounts running at the same time. So what you see in this account, I have many accounts that look just like this. So we have been generating thousands of dollars, sometimes 20,000 a day, $50,000 a day, and near $100,000 per day using this system of mine. So it's not nothing brand new, but if you don't have an income source like this, then this could be the game changer for you. Okay. So account number three has spent $30. And then we'll check account number, this one, 6, has spent 34. And then 7. Has spent today, spent only 5. We'll give it $5. You can see I don't spend a lot on these accounts, and I just make monster profits. Today, $3. These are very, very small spending here. And you can see I'm just crushing it. Today, $12. 241, and then one more. Actually, this one's not even active. So I've generated $700 this morning already. I've received that, and I've only spent 241. So I'm already over like $400 in profit this morning, and I have not even, left the apartment. I'm in boxer shorts right now, chilling, listening to manifestation type of frequencies and sounds because I believe in the law of attraction. And you can see I always read the law of attraction book. I always saturate my mind with what it is that I'm intending to experience and create in my life. So you can see I'm always keeping my mind conditioned, even though I've been making millions of dollars for years. It's important to continue to saturate your mind with more of that which you want. That's why if you see a great brother like Mayweather, Floyd Mayweather, this guy's the greatest boxer of all time. He's actually one of probably the richest sports athletes of all time. And you know what he does? He still trains and practices every day, like as if he was still a young gun just getting started. Why? Because it's called conditioning. You condition your mind for that which you want to become, or more of that which you want. Same goes for Conor McGregor. Look at these guys. These guys are some of the best in the world at what they do. Why? They obsess about whatever they're he's a UFC fighter, he's a boxer, both super duper very wealthy, rich. And well, what I do is I'm a marketer, an internet marketer, affiliate marketer. So I saturate my mind with that which I desire more of. And I create my wealth and my money from advertising campaigns using Facebook advertising and selling digital products like the Overnight Millionaire. See? I'm not a UFC fighter, but in my world, I'm easily one of the best affiliate marketers in the world, generating a lot of, I'll be more specific and say millions of dollars a year profitably. So if you want to learn some more about my strategies, I'll put a link down below. You can click the button down below. You can also just type this into your browser right now, affiliateprofitmethod.com. Come check out the page. You can choose what route do you want to go. Do you want to learn my Facebook advertising methods or my YouTube advertising methods? They both are on fire. I do both of them. I only showed you one account in this video, but I mean, you can go through both of them, go buy both of them, or you don't have to buy them. You can do whatever you want. I'm just sharing some value with you. You make your decision. We're all adults here. I choose to continue to succeed. That's why I learn from mentors and I invest in programs and my education. Every single month, I buy more courses and programs, and I'm always investing to become better. That's why I will continue to get better every day. The same goes for you. You must do the same. So that's it for today. Mr. X signing out. Go to this website. Go ahead and enroll in Facebook or enroll in YouTube. And I'll see you inside of the course. That's it for today. Much blessings.